donkey. Father had a donkey. Donkey died. Father had Pinky, Pinky, Ponky.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sita and Sitara. We are back with another video. We both are going to prepare popsicles today. It's summertime, so we have watermelon and we are going to prepare popsicles. She has learned it in her school, so she is going to teach me how to prepare popsicles. Hi, madam. Are you ready to teach me how to?
Yes.
Okay, first let me cut the watermelon. See? My watermelon is without seeds. No seeds in my watermelon. If you have paper, no, I have wooden stand. It's okay, no.
Oh.
I'm going to cut this one first. I luckily don't have seeds in my watermelon. Sitara, taste this one. Let me know whether it's sweet or not. I'll add some sugar if it's not sweet. You feel so good when you don't have seeds in watermelon, right?
I like yellow watermelon.
You like yellow watermelon?
Yeah.
We have yellow watermelon also in the fridge, right? Why did you get this one then?
I want red popsicle.
You want red popsicles. Okay,
Yeah.
you like yellow watermelon, but you like red popsicles.
Yeah.
Fine. First check. Adi sweet ga unda leda. You want me to add sugar or you can just have it like that? Sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, done. You're going to add this bowl.
Wow, so much water.
Water.
In
Okay.
my head.
Okay, it's okay.
Now,
Hmm.
add some sugar.
You have to speak out loud. People cannot listen to you.
Now, add some sugar.
Okay. Some in the sense, how many spoons?
3.
3 spoons. Okay, I had 3 spoons of sugar. 3 baby spoons of sugar. You want me to help? This is called a spoon. 3 spoons of sugar. Yes, this lime juice. I'll quickly mix this and come back. Watermelon juice is ready. I'll explain you the ingredients again. 1 cup of watermelon without seeds and 3 tablespoons of sugar or to your requirement and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Kids do all these messy things,
Yeah.
but it's okay. Stop. Now we are going to add the chunks. Add. Drop few chunks. Till the water comes up.
Yeah.
Just like a crow story. You throw some pebbles in the jug. The water comes up. The crow will drink the water and go.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yes.
This is the same thing. If you drop the chunks, these are like pebbles. No, leave it. These are like pebbles. If you drop these chunks in the water comes up. Hey, cheating. It's okay, eat. Chalo, continue. Guys, this lemon juice really adds extra taste to this. You don't skip the lime juice. You want to keep it in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
We are going to refrigerate this for 6 to 8 hours, or you can also keep overnight, not an issue. Let's keep it in the refrigerator now. Come. Let's go. Keep it inside. But you have to wait until tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. You can wait.
Yeah.
Good job. Here I've kept the popsicles in the deep freeze. Let's wait for 6 to 8 hours. After that, we can open it and check the popsicles. Hey guys, our popsicles are ready. It's early morning. She's very curious and she's not able to eat. Done. We have to keep this. We are going to keep this in water for just 10 to 20 seconds. Did you brush at least?
No.
You're going to taste it?
Yeah.
Gee, I'm not going to allow you to taste. You just open and check how it came out. You can eat it in the afternoon.
Okay.
Our 20 seconds is over. We are going to take this out. You want to take? Okay, take it. Keep it down. Keep it down. And try to open. Wow!
I am looking.
Hey, now let's first. Even we need
This is
some more
for
time.
you. This is for me. This is for my dad.
Oh, that's for your dad. The nice, no?
I
I brushed. Can I taste?
No.
I'll taste. Please, please, please. I'll taste. That's so beautiful.
I want to taste.
You want to taste? Yucky girl is going to taste without brushing. That is yours. Keep it separate and you eat it. It's tasty.
No, this is mine, not yours. I eat afternoon. My family eat afternoon.
Well, these are some yummy summer refreshments. And if you want to make it healthier, you can also replace sugar with honey and add some mint leaves. And adding chunks is not a great idea. You can just skip that. Always homemade popsicles and homemade ice creams are healthier than any other ice creams you get in the market. And try preparing this with your kids. They'll feel it like an activity and they'll just enjoy it. Hope you like the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to Sita and Sitara. Thank you for watching.